Hello beauties and welcome to my channel. My name is Ada. I'm a Nigerian food blogger and I blog at adasrecipes.com. So please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos and also give me a thumbs up. Have you subscribed? Alright, today I'll be teaching you how to make fondant icing recipe from scratch. Let's get started. For our fondant making, here are the ingredients. We have icing sugar, CMC, liquid glucose and gelatin. The first thing you do is to sift your icing sugar and your CMC, give it a good stir and set aside. So the next thing you do is to add the gelatin to the water and allow to sit for 5 to 7 minutes. Then place on a saucepan with hot water on heat. Stir to dissolve. Add the liquid glucose and stir until it dissolves completely. Remove from heat and leave to cool. When you are sure the gelatin mixture is completely cooled, divide the icing sugar. Then add the gelatin mixture little at a time until it gets exhausted. Add the remaining icing sugar, then continue to knead until you get a stretchy and non-sticky dough. Put the fondant icing in a cellophane bag for at least 24 hours before usage. It can also stay longer if properly preserved. Please, for the recipe measurements, visit adasrecipes.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Bye for now. Love you.